up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube?
Wake up the party. We're not a regular party. We just not regular bodies. We just can't hang with nobody. I'm with a bitch, she a Bobby. We gon' skirt off in that Bobby. They gon' hate on us regardless. I don't give a fuck, I'm heartless. Watch your white.
What's up, YouTube?
I'm Monet.
I'm Nya.
And I'm Wynter.
And we are the Real Three.
Oh my god.
I love it.
Nobody watching us.
Hey, guys.
Hey y'all, so we're in we're in Wendy's and we're doing a mukbang. That's how you say it. And we're also having a story time about
This is my
coming
coming out story.
And now, you know, her closest friends are here. We have two guests with us. Excuse me.
I'm fixing
Malik.
the camera.
Malik. And Ashley.
Hey.
This is our group, guys, if y'all don't know.
Very close, forever friendship. Okay, I finished my food already, so it's not really I finished. I'm like the only one still eating. I only got fries. I eat mad food. Okay. So, you want to tell everybody else to shut up? I need my Are y'all done passing food?
Let's go.
Okay. So, first, I should tell y'all, well, I'm not straight. I am pansexual. It's the way I like to explain it is hearts, not parts. So like, I don't care if like you're a boy, a girl, a transgender, all of that. I like people for who they are. And I feel like it's because I'm like so free spirited. That's why I like confident. But anyways, let's start from the beginning. Okay. So when I was in elementary, I knew. But I was in elementary, I knew that like I wasn't straight because
Inside joke.
It's talking. I knew that like I wasn't straight because like I would look at other girls and I'd be like, oh, they're cute, blah blah blah. But like back then, yes.
I want my fries.
But like back then, all I knew was gay and straight. And I'm like, but I'm not gay because I like boys. But I was like, but I'm not straight because I like girls too. So I didn't know what I was. Back then, bi was not a thing.
Thank you.
So then eventually, by like 4th grade, I convinced myself that I was straight. And I was like, there's no gayness in me, nothing at all. I'm straight, all of that. I don't like boys. And I just basically lied to myself for like a good 3-4 years. And then, yeah. And then by the time, I think when I was like in 7th or 8th grade, I told this one girl, and I was like,
Sorry. And I'm not that funny. See how me and Olivia just so goofy. That's why it's so funny. And let me see this picture. I'm really weak. No, I'm not interested. I'm dying. I was like, oh my god. Listen to the comments. Wait, what? That has me so weird. Sorry guys, back to send that to me. Wait, oh my god.
So by like 7th or 8th grade, I told this one girl, and I was like, oh, I'm bi. But I was like, at the same time, I wasn't comfortable saying the word bi because I was like, it don't feel like that's me. I was like, I didn't like using it, so I didn't really tell a lot of people. After her, I told probably like 2 other people that I was bi, but I was like, in my heart, I knew I wasn't bi. But
intermission, wait, stop. Yo, why my mom bought coffee full of soup and this is the heroes on it look like this? Yeah, look at I was like, ew, that cow was mad hairy. Alright, this is a conversation and we over here weak. Go girl.
hold on, Wynter text me. She needed a break, hold on. She got alright, hold on. Okay. I'm not doing this video. Okay. What's up?
Well, now you can eat your fries or not.
Yeah, I'll be eating.
Slow.
What is this? Oh my fries. Who had this drink? Oh yeah, so I just wasn't comfortable saying that like I was bi or whatever, because like in my heart I knew that's not what I was, but it was like that's the only way I knew how to identify, because I was like, I like boys and I like girls. So one day, like I think it was like freshman year. Yeah, it was freshman year. I was with Monet and I was with one of my other friends. We was at gym. And I told them, first of all, I was mad scared to tell them for no reason. I was like, guys, I need to tell you something. I was like, I like boys and I like girls. And I was like, I'm not bi. And so they was like, so then what are you? And I was like, girl, I don't know. And I was like, and from then I just didn't identify myself as nothing. And yeah, I didn't identify myself for like a year. But then I got to sophomore year, and it was some girl, and she had something, and it was like, oh, pansexual. And I was like, what's that? So then I went to Google, got to the Googling, and I was just looking, I was like, this was me! And then that's how I know I was pansexual.
Mind you, whenever she tells someone she's pansexual, she had to explain it to all of us because we didn't know what it was.
When she first introduced it to us, we looked at her like, what? Every time she said it, we were just like, what?
And then once I figured out what I was, we had a group chat. It was them two, and it was our other friend, Shania. And texted in the group chat, and I was like, oh guys, I gotta tell you something, but I'm gonna wait till y'all will respond. And then they all responded, and I was like, well, I'm pansexual. And then
I'm the only one serious here. Go.
No, it's the picture. You was not serious. You was not serious 10 minutes ago.
All right, I'm serious now.
It's the picture. It's the picture.
oh yeah. And so I told them I was pansexual or whatever, and they was asking me mad enough questions. I don't even know what they was asking me. But yeah, and that's how they found out that I was pansexual. That's how I knew that I was pansexual, and I just feel very free spirited. Now, before I start asking you a bunch of questions, I forgot what I was about to say.
Oh, that's my song.
What time is believe?
I told y'all this is my song right here.
Yeah, she said, what time? She's dumb annoying for that.
No, and when you watching Glee and they start doing
Oh my God.
oh my God, she be looking at her like, I don't want to. Right, don't look at her.
You stop.
Line. She like actually be like step, left, right, up, down. And you see me stand there and tell you what to do.
Okay, anyways, our little inputs on my friend being pansexual.
I find it okay.
And no, it does not mean that I'm attracted to every single body. Because that's what a lot of people think too. No, I'm not attracted to every single body. Everybody is not cute. Yes, I still have a type. Thank you very much.
Okay. I support my friend, whatever she likes. Boy or girl. If she's happy, then that's what matters.
Yeah. I support whatever she wants. I mean, I'm not stopping her. I can't stop her. Like, I feel like that's what you want to do, then go ahead. Right. I have no say in what she does.
I encourage it, and I'm loving this energy.
She's annoying. Oh, Emily. She's like, what they talking to?
Right. Everybody was just like, Malik, your input.
Yo, she just spit on the window. She just spit on the window. Ew, she dirty. Let's take this up outside. On the window right there. She was like, she that nasty.
What was she doing behind her?
She tripped. I think she a crackhead.
Why would she spit on the window?
That's dirty.
They don't know no better.
That's dirty.
Yeah, go ahead. Talk, take some input.
Come here, bro.
Oh, my CC.
I wish I understood what he was saying.
Right.
You know the vibes. But anyway, yeah.
Slamming door like she living
What is
there.
that thing called?
Pansexual.
Like PAN sexual?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah. I never heard that a day in my life until she brought it up. And then I thought that was very unique, like, because I never heard of it before. I never seen nobody with that. But it's valid. Like, it separates her from everybody else.
Aw, guys. That was so sweet.
Stop.
Oh my God.
If she said she went mad deep in that art.
Yeah.
There's a more like regular definition for pansexual that like when you Google it, I'm gonna insert it into the thing.
That's that. Anyways, that's the end of this video, guys.
That's my coming out story. So,
So now if anybody wants her, boys or girls, nah.
Nah,
I'm
right.
joking.
Nah, you're bugging.
to all my family who watch this, now you know.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Turn our post notifications on.
Yup, make sure you press that bell, all that good stuff.
And add my snap, link in the description.
No. Type
Mine
a link
too.
in the description.
I
might
you're
text
not allowed
back
to
though.
have new friends, so no time to be friends.
And you're like, I
Right.
can't do this video, but see you in the next video. Pretend my hair covered it. What's wrong? If I remember, we put it that place.